Hello everyone, I am A.B. Gauri, Department of English, GKG College, Kolhapur. Class BCom 2nd, Semester 3rd. Subject English for Business Communication, Compulsory English. Today we will continue the earlier lecture of first unit Oral Skills, in which we learn oral skills, spoken communication and written communication, difference between oral communication and written communication, oral presentation and sub skills of oral presentation. We also learn what is comparing and PowerPoint presentation. Now we will see the last point of this unit, which is interviewing famous persons. Interview is a process through which a person or a group of persons attempt to know about an individual for a specific purpose. The person who asks questions is called interviewer, and the person to whom questions are asked is called interviewee. Nowadays, we see people being interviewed on different occasions. Some people are interviewed on achieving extraordinary. For example, sports persons, politicians, actors, actresses, critics, analysts, scientists, journalists, entrepreneurs, and many others are interviewed these days. Interview is basically a question and answer session. Here, the interviewer attempts to know the interviewee with the help of a set of questions planned beforehand. So, students, what is expected from you in this lecture is to learn how to conduct interview of a famous person. In order to learn these things, what we need to know how to ask questions to a interviewee. If you know how to ask questions, you are able to manage a good interview. For this, in your textbook, page number 16 and 17, there is one example of an imaginary interview. I request all of you to look after it and try to understand the way interview is conducted. There are some do's and don'ts of interview. On page number 17 of your book, the chart is given. Let us see some examples of it. Do know your guest. Get some personal information such as interests, achievements, hobbies of a interviewee. Give the interviewee idea about the nature and purpose of interview. Be polite when you ask questions. Ask right questions only. Be friendly with the interviewee. Try to maintain smile throughout the interview. Have a list of questions with adequate sequence. Set a time limit for the interview. These are the things we should remember while interviewing and focus on all these points. We should not do these things which we are going to discuss now. Do not ask personal questions. Do not do anything that distracts attention of the interviewee. Do not use offensive words. Do not insist on awkward questions. Do not criticize the person for any of the reason. Do not forget to introduce the interviewee to the audience at the beginning of the interview. So these are some points you have to remember during interviewing a famous person, which are very important points. So students, on page number 18 there are some questions you can refer to know how to use these questions for a better interview. I request all of you to see page number 18 and learn the different type of questions which can be used for interview. So friends, in this lecture we learn about interviewing famous person and some do's and don'ts of interview. In this way, we completed the last point of this lecture as well as first unit, in which we learn oral skills, spoken and written communication, difference between oral and written communication, oral presentation, sub skills of oral presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and interviewing famous person. In this way, we completed first module, unit first, oral skills. In the next lecture, we will begin second unit of first module. Thank you.